Hello, is your display looking blurry, oversized, or stretched out on Windows 11? Setting your screen to its recommended resolution will instantly fix display quality and sharpen your text. Here is how to adjust it step by step. Right-click on any empty space on your desktop and select Display Settings from the context menu. Under the Scale and Layout section on the right panel, locate Display Resolution. Click the drop-down menu box next to Display Resolution. Scroll through the list of available resolutions and select the option labeled Recommended, such as 1920 by 1080 or 2560 by 1440. Your screen will flash black briefly and a confirmation prompt will pop up on your display. Click the Keep Changes button before the countdown timer runs out. Close the settings window and your screen is now set to its sharpest display output. If this guide helped you, please like this video and subscribe to Tactim for more quick tech walkthroughs. See you in the next one.